Hi, and welcome back. Well, we're staying in one spot now for a little while, and I've been going through and trying to organize my videos, and I found one that I haven't posted yet. So I want to show it to you. Hope you enjoy it. It's from a few years ago, unfortunately, like the last video, but I think you'll like it. Okay, so here we go. Well, good morning. A couple of days have gone by since the last time I posted, and we stayed just at a couple of rest stops and a Walmart, as a matter of fact, because we had to get a couple of things. We're always at Walmart. We'll probably go to another Walmart in a couple of days. And anyway, we are at this beautiful agricultural farm that also is a campground. So I guess when they have events here, they have places for the people to hook up. We actually have full hookups. And the amount of fee that it is was only $30 a night. And that's pretty cheap because staying here 2 nights is just as much as staying 1 night in other places, or even cheaper then. So we're going to take a walk around, and we're going to show you this beautiful, beautiful place for the 4-H kids and stuff. They even have this big mud pit here. I don't know if you could see it real well because I'm standing like in a little ditch. But there's a huge mud pit here, I guess for where the pigs can wallow in the mud.
Just in closing, for this little tour of Johnson County Fairgrounds, the 4-H setup they have is really huge. And we just say if you want to stay here, just reach out to them because the guy's very nice. They had a cancellation, which, he notified us about, and we were able to get a drive-through slot, which made it easier towing the car. We didn't have to detach it. But it's very nice and it's very clean. Oh, that's good.